Hello everyone, and welcome to today's flow. So let's begin. So we'll start with some low lunges. So lifting the right knee up, placing it in front of the body, interlocking the fingers, gently pressing them against the thigh. And just slowly easing the body forwards. Gently release. Let's switch sides. Shoulders and upper body, nice and relaxed. And slowly release, coming up onto all fours. Let's walk the hands forward into puppy pose, releasing through the chest, the shoulders, allowing the body to just melt in towards the mat. Gently walking the hands up. We'll move into butterfly pose now. So taking hold of the feet. Gently release. And now coming to lay down onto the mats, pulling the knees up towards the chest and releasing them over towards the left side. Gently release. We'll switch sides. Bring the knees back in towards the chest. Lower the feet towards the mat. Bring the soles of the feet to touch, so the knees drop to either side of the body. Lifting the hands up, placing them above the head. We'll just stay here. Thank you so much for joining me today. Really hope to see you again.